Hello and welcome. Now, to upload an intro to YouTube, what you need to do is simple. Go to any of these folders. Let's start with Educational Engineering Team. Now, inside it, you will find courses names. And I already uploaded some of these courses intros to YouTube. So here you can go to YouTube Studio, and it would be better if you can make an Excel sheet to keep track of things that we have uploaded. So go to the content, you will see that the last uploaded video is the Arduino alarm clock, which is this course. So the next in line would be Arduino automatic medicine reminder. So copy the name of the course, then go inside the folder. It will take some time to load because this is an online folder. Now, I prefer you paste the name of the course on an Excel sheet to make sure that we can keep track of courses that we uploaded. Now, you also need to have From Republic opened. So here we have From Republic, and on the other hand, we have YouTube Studio. So click Upload here, Upload Video on the YouTube Studio. And in here, click Create Post, and make sure that you are selecting EduEng Team channel, but you have to deselect the LinkedIn because it has some problems. Now we will have to wait for the folder to load. Here it is. Now this is the introduction that we are looking for. So what we will do is copy this introduction. But before we copy it, we need to paste the name of the course here. Let's copy the introduction and paste it inside the downloads or anywhere. So here it is inside the download. I'm pasting it on my computer because I want to rename the file before I upload it. So here it is. This is the introduction. Now what I want to do is to rename the introduction file with the course name. Okay. Things are having a problem with the name. Here it is. Now drag it, drop it here, drag it, and drop it on YouTube as well. Here it is uploading, and here it is uploading. Now, on here, you need to search Google for the course and scroll all the way down until you find, if you didn't find, okay, here it is. On Udemy. And if you don't have access yet, you need to send me the course name so that I can give you an affiliate link to post it to the course. Now, usually the affiliate link will look something like this. Now you need here, to come here, search for the course. Here it is. We have two courses, automatic medicine reminder. So go here, and from the left side, motions, click copy to copy this affiliate link. We need this link. It has a referral code. So if you don't have access yet, I can make the link. Just send me the name of the course and go back here and paste link. And take the short description from the course landing page and you can add some tags like video and theme, Arduino. Copy the same tags from here to YouTube. Let's put this here and put this here. Okay. Now here it is. Make sure that you fix the SEO, add the course to the courses, the video to the courses, and scroll all the way down. Make sure to include the medicine reminder, Arduino Uno, and Arduino project tags. Now go to monetization, click on here, click none of the above, submit rating, and here make sure to go back to the details. Everything seems good to go. Click next, 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 and always schedule it to be published at 2 p.m. on this day. So here it is. Let's hit schedule. Same here. Schedule it to be published p.m. at 2. Now hit schedule post and we are good to go. That's it. Now you need to copy the course name and the affiliate link into an Excel sheet to keep track of the intros that we upload. Thanks for watching this lesson.